introducing you our latest iron electric hoist with a compact and lightweight design, making it portable and ideal for various industries. It weighs only 7 kilograms with overload protection and emergency stop to ensure the safety. It's powered by a Makita 4 mAh lithium battery, and this hoist could work 40 minutes with full load. With an affordable price, cost only $300 US, you could get such a premium electric hoist, controlled by a patent control and a wireless remote control. Lifting speed is about 4 minutes per minute. And let me show you the operation. Equip the battery to the pedal to control the up and the down, and adjust the red button. Wireless control.